Okay, my love life. Let's see if the tarot card on TikTok will tell me what it is. My Valentine will lead me on my birthday. That's actually not bad. My birthday is in January.
I feel great today. Here we go. My monthly salary. I feel great today. So don't do me like this, TikTok. Stop already. You're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna be homeless.
Future me. Who is the future me? My job. What's my job? What do I work as? Engineer. Hey! Hey, I studied industrial design. My home is a cave. In debt. Crushing hard. 3 cats.
¡Ay, qué alegría más grande! ¡Ay, qué bonita! ¡Que me encantan! ¡La verguera! ¡Qué cosa más preciosa! ¡Ah! ¡Uy, que no me quiero morir! ¡Que no me quiero morir! ¡Que se retire ese calavera de ahí de mi lado!